Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to apply effects and the themes to the wallpaper on Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. Okay, so the first step will be opening up the settings, and in the settings, if you open them, just scroll down a little bit until you see the wallpaper and style section. So just press it, and here you have to pick whether you want to customize your lock screen or your home screen. So I'm just going to stick with the dock, which is my home screen. Now, as you can see, we have the frame here and effect. So for example, we want to apply an effect, and now we can apply the effect to our wallpaper and choose the one that is the most pretty to our eyes. I'm just going to stick with the the blurred background looks nice, so I'm just going to apply. And if you want to apply the frame, just press frame, and now the wallpaper will be adjusted according to your picks. Just keep in mind that this frame and effect options will be only available to some wallpapers that are most likely right here, and they won't be the effects won't be the frame won't be available to your custom wallpapers. So if you enjoyed this video and considered it helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.